Hello class, today we're going to talk all about your midterm project, what to expect, what you need to study, kind of what's going on with this as well. A few things before we get started, just be aware that on Wednesday it will be the last day to turn in all of your late assignments. I've already posted this on Google Classroom, but just a reminder, Wednesday is the last day for all of your late assignments by midnight. Let's do by midnight. Okay, that is the last day I will take them. The next thing you need to know is that your midterm project, will be due on Thursday at midnight. I'm going to grade them first thing Friday morning, so you really need to make sure that they are complete. I will not be accepting any late work on this because I need to spend the whole day grading them on Friday, and grades are due Friday night. So time-wise, Thursday is the best we got, so that is when the project will be due. So I'm giving you guys this midterm project a little bit early so that you have plenty of time to get this done alongside of all your other midterms. So I'm giving it to you today, Friday, instead of your normal project on Monday or Tuesday. So you will have plenty of time, almost about a full week, to complete this project. Okay, a few things I want to review before we get into the actual project. A few things you absolutely need to know for your midterm, and that is the color wheel. So here is some reviews of the color wheel. You need to know the color wheel, you need to know the order of the color wheel, and you need to be able to label the color wheel. So you have yellow, yellow, orange, orange, red, red, violet, blue, blue, green, green, yellow, green, and then we're back to yellow. So remember that you have your primary colors, red, yellow, blue, your secondary colors, orange, violet, and green, and then your tertiary colors are all of your colors with two names. So you have your yellow, orange, red, violet, blue, green, yellow, green. Do not forget to put these in here. A lot of times kids forget to add the tertiary colors. Make sure that you are getting all of them. My advice, what I would do is I would just start off labeling the primaries. Okay, they are all spaced 3 apart from each other. So you'll have yellow, then 3, then red, then 3, then blue, then 3. Then you can go back and do the secondaries. And so then every other one will be filled. And then you can go back in with your tertiaries and you can just add the two together. So you'll be like, oh, I have yellow and orange together. What's the middle one? Yellow, orange. So that's a really good way to do it if you are kind of forgetting what the tertiary colors are. You're like, oh, I have yellow on this side, orange on this side. What's the tertiary? Yellow, orange. Okay, hopefully that helps you guys a little bit. Really just set this up really, really well before your midterm. Okay, the next thing is for your project, I'll move me over here. For your project on a separate piece of paper, just a normal 8x10 printer paper, you're going to create an alternative color wheel. So this does not have to be a legit circle. It can be any shape you want. It can be completely different. It does not have to be a wheel, and it will be graded on the following. Okay, accuracy, the placement of the colors. Are they correct on the color wheel? Are they in their correct spot? Are the color names labeled correctly? Remember that you want to use violet instead of purple. That's a very big one. Are the colors properly shaded? Like, do the colors look right? Did you use the right color pencil? Things like that. Professionalism. Same with craftsmanship. So no smudges, wrinkles. You don't have Cheeto dust on there. It's not crumpled up. Okay. Make sure it has neat, nice craftsmanship. And then originality. Is it creative? Is it altered? Did you copy it from somewhere? I promise you, I will know if you copied it from somewhere. I've seen all of the color wheels. So I have some examples over here that I want to show you guys on some color wheels. So these are some examples from previous students. So here's a really good one. This is a zebra. They have all of the colors correctly. They are in the correct order and they are labeled. Here is another really cool one. They did a bunch of gems. This is one of my favorites. Everything's labeled. Everything is in the correct order. And here's the last one I want to show you guys. And you can see how they have all of the colors. They are labeled on their pictures as well. So those are a few examples for you guys to kind of get you thinking. Do not copy those. And then as well as on the next slide, you may not use these ones as your project. So these are just an example. You cannot use any of these. If you use any of these, you will get an automatic fail. So nothing with hair. Okay, you don't want to do anything here with this or here with this. Nothing with a flower or an eye. Okay, these ones are completely overdone. I've seen these ones a million times. I'm no longer accepting these ones. They're not creative. You need to do something besides these. Okay, so there's a few examples. Let's go back to the criteria one more time. Make sure that you have everything labeled. Make sure your colors are in the correct place. The labels are named correctly. The colors are properly shaded, and that you really have that really good craftsmanship and professionalism where there is no wrinkles, smudges, things like this. And of course, that it is creative and things like this. All of these are very, very creative, and this is the standard that I want you guys to go off of. Okay. This project will be due on Thursday, so you guys should have plenty of time to get these done. Don't forget to label it and turn it in on Google Classroom. Thanks, guys.